Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is my birthday giveaway video. I'm finally announcing the winner to the giveaway. So before I get to that, I want to show you guys some stuff I picked up this week. I'll put everything in the description box. I got some acrylic from iGel Beauty. I apologize for the quality of this video at the beginning. It does get better in a second, but my ring light went out and then my camera went out, so I had to record using an old phone. It was just a mess, guys. The video almost didn't make it. But anyways, I used some odorless monomer, and it was a lot. Okay, so like the monomer was truly odorless, so for that I appreciate it. However, as you all know, if you watch my channel, I'm more of a polygel girl. So first off, I'm just now getting my hands back even into acrylic, and the stinky monomer is a lot easier to work with than the odorless monomer. So this was a test, guys. This was tough because this odorless monomer, it was like running all over the place, and it took me a while to get the ratio right. So less is more. But I really appreciate the fact that it's truly odorless. Like, loved it. Like, no one in my house complained while I was doing my nails. So this was great. And also, I really did appreciate the fact that I did my research. So the sticky layer, the oily sticky layer that ends up on top, all you do, guys, is file that away and it's perfect. So I definitely will be using this again, especially now that I have my trial and error. I think the next time I do my nails, it'll be a lot smoother process. But I'm not really doing a tutorial today. I just wanted y'all to watch me work. So you're actually getting to see me work with my non-dominant hand more in this video than I normally ever show. So I kind of swirled it, guys. I even used some glow-in-the-dark pigment. Actually, it's a glow-in-the-dark acrylic in here as well. So I'm kind of swirling that around and marbling that. So I hope you guys like it. I was so excited about my birthday, and I really want to do just more of a natural look. I don't know, guys. This is my first week back to work. I'm kind of overwhelmed, anxious, so I just been praying that, y'all know I'm a teacher. Y'all know how this is right now. Nerves are all the way shot because I'm not letting my kids go back to school. However, I have to. So I just was like, let me calm my nerves with some calm nail colors. So yeah, that's pretty much it with my nails. But I just hope all of you guys are doing well. I'm excited about this birthday, even though I'll be sitting at home, probably just stuffing my face with my family. But I'm just grateful for another year because we all know there's many who haven't made it this far. So I thank God for that. So now to the winner of the giveaway. It is, drum roll, ODORLESS. So congratulations. You have won a kit. So I'll contact you in your DMs and get your information, or you can go ahead and contact me. That's fine, but congratulations. So guys, y'all can continue to watch me work. Thank y'all so much for so much support. I'll be doing another giveaway in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned. Make sure that you have your post notifications on and that you're subscribed so you could possibly be the next giveaway winner. But that is it. It is officially my second 30th birthday, so I'm about to live my best life. Give me some good old margaritas, relax, eat me some good food, and just thank God for another year. So it's amazing. So if y'all want to send gifts, y'all ain't got to, but if you want to, I will put my mailing address in the description box as well as my Cash App. Thank y'all so much. I hope you have a wonderful and safe week. Mila B, out.